Crystal healing is one of the most fascinating subjects in the world because it sits between science, spirituality, psychology, geology, and human energy. People have been drawn to crystals for thousands of years, long before modern laboratories existed, and even today millions around the globe use crystals for healing, balance, manifestation, grounding, and emotional support. But what is the actual science behind it? Why do so many people feel energy from crystals? Why do certain stones feel calming, others feel energizing, and some feel grounding? In this video, we will explore the full truth behind crystal healing, combining raw scientific knowledge with deep metaphysical understanding, explaining how crystals form, how they interact with energy fields, how they influence the human mind and body, and why they have been trusted tools across cultures. Stay till the end, and if you have any perspective, experience, or question, share it in the comments. Listen till the end, and like and subscribe for more deep knowledge. Crystals are not ordinary rocks. They are highly structured matter. A crystal grows with a perfect, repeating, organized atomic pattern. This ordered structure gives crystals a stable, energetic vibration. Ordinary stones have random atomic arrangements, but crystals grow in symmetry. This internal order is the foundation of why they interact with energy. Every crystal, whether quartz, amethyst, citrine, or tourmaline, has a unique arrangement of atoms, a unique chemical makeup, and a unique vibrational pattern. Crystals get their power from nature itself. They form deep inside the earth, through volcanic heat, intense pressure, mineral-rich fluids, and extremely slow cooling. This process takes thousands or even millions of years, building perfect molecular alignment. For example, quartz grows from hot mineral water, amethyst forms when iron impurities mix with heat, citrine forms when natural radiation changes amethyst, and black tourmaline develops through tectonic pressure. The earth literally programs crystals through time, geology, and natural forces. Modern science supports that crystals have measurable physical properties. Quartz, for example, is piezoelectric. When pressure is applied, it produces an electric charge. This is why quartz is used in watches and electronic devices for accurate frequency regulation. Tourmaline is pyroelectric, meaning it generates electricity when heated or cooled. These are not theories. These are scientific facts used in everyday technology. If crystals can influence machines, many believe they can influence the human energy field as well. The human body is not just physical matter, it is an electromagnetic system. Your heart emits an electromagnetic field measurable several feet away. Your brain produces electrical waves measured in hertz. Your cells communicate through electrical signals. Crystals also emit stable electromagnetic frequencies. When a stable field interacts with an unstable field, the unstable one tends to shift toward harmony. This is resonance. In physics, resonance is when one oscillating system influences another system to match its vibration. Crystals are stable oscillators. Humans are variable oscillators. This is the scientific basis of crystal healing. Ancient systems of knowledge also support the idea of human energy. Indian traditions describe chakras and prana. Chinese medicine describes qi and meridians. Tibetan traditions describe wind channels. Indigenous cultures describe spirit energy. Modern science acknowledges the biofield, the measurable field of energy around living organisms. Crystals can interact with this field because their structure holds stable frequency patterns. Vibrational healing theory suggests that when you hold a crystal, place it on your body, or keep it around your environment, its consistent frequency influences your energetic state. A chaotic mind may calm down when exposed to a calming crystal like amethyst. A low energy state may rise when exposed to energizing crystals like citrine. A scattered mind may feel focused near clear quartz. These effects are subtle but noticeable to many. Color also plays a role. The color of a crystal is not random. It reflects trace minerals inside it. Iron creates purple amethyst. Copper creates green malachite. Titanium creates rainbow aura quartz. Each mineral has unique energetic properties. Color psychology also influences the mind. Blues and purples calm. Yellows energize. Greens heal. Reds ground. Crystals combine color psychology with mineral frequency, creating a strong energetic impact. Crystals also influence the mind through symbolic power, touch, grounding, memory, and emotional anchoring. The smoothness of a palm stone calms the nervous system. The pointed tip of a tower focuses attention. The weight of a raw stone grounds the body. The beauty of a crystal activates dopamine. The meaning associated with a crystal activates the brain's belief system. Belief itself is powerful. The placebo effect is not fake. Placebo is the brain healing the body. If someone believes a crystal brings calmness, the brain releases calming chemicals. If someone believes a crystal protects them, the body reduces stress hormones. Crystals act as physical tools that help the brain shift into healing states. The nocebo effect works in the opposite direction. If someone fears a crystal or believes it carries bad energy, their nervous system responds negatively. This shows the importance of intention and emotional state when using crystals. Intention setting activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for focus and decision-making. Holding a crystal during intention setting creates a physical anchor. The brain remembers the intention whenever you see or touch the crystal again. This builds new neural pathways. Crystals become psychological allies for transformation. Quantum concepts also play a subtle role. While crystals do not operate at the same scale as quantum computers, the principles of wave-particle duality, electron probability, and observer influence help explain why subtle energy interactions exist. Crystals may not create energy, but they may help stabilize or amplify existing energy fields. The human nervous system responds strongly to subtle signals. When someone touches a crystal, sensory receptors respond to temperature, texture, weight, and shape. Smooth surfaces relax the body. Pointed surfaces stimulate focus. Flat surfaces soothe tension. These physical sensations translate into emotional experiences. The biofield, which includes electromagnetic, thermal, and vibrational fields around the body, can interact with external energetic structures like crystals. Some crystals absorb excess energy, some amplify energy, and some harmonize surrounding frequencies. Water also plays a role in this interaction. The human body is mostly water. Water can hold vibrational patterns. Crystal-infused water, when done safely with non-toxic stones, is believed to influence the structure of water molecules, though research is still developing. Crystals have been used across cultures for healing and spiritual development. Ayurveda uses gemstones for energy corrections. Vedic astrology uses crystals to balance planetary influences. Chinese medicine uses jade and quartz for physical and emotional health. Egyptians used lapis lazuli and carnelian for clarity and protection. Indigenous tribes used crystals for grounding, rituals, and communication with nature. These systems developed independently, suggesting a universal human recognition of crystal energy. Modern crystal healing includes aura cleansing, chakra balancing, manifestation rituals, meditation support, energy grids, and wearing crystals as jewelry. Scientific studies show that holding crystals can influence mood, stress levels, and brainwave activity. While science does not claim crystals cure diseases, they do support emotional and energetic wellness. Psychological research shows that crystals help reduce muscle tension, improve focus, lower cortisol levels, and enhance mindfulness. Different people feel crystals differently. Sensitivity varies depending on personality, emotional state, belief system, trauma history, and neurological wiring. Some people feel warmth, tingling, heaviness, or lightness. Others feel calmness or mental clarity. Some feel nothing, and that is normal. Crystal shapes also impact energy. Points direct energy. Spheres radiate evenly. Clusters amplify energy. Tumbles ground. Towers enhance focus. Each shape shifts the experience in subtle ways. Some crystals calm because of their mineral composition and frequency. Amethyst calms due to iron structure and purple vibration. Lepidolite contains lithium, which naturally soothes. Black tourmaline grounds due to its complex crystal structure. Citrine energizes because of its solar color and natural heat formation. Crystals also affect the environment. They shift the emotional tone of a room, reduce electronic stress, and create grounding atmospheres. Programming crystals means aligning your intention with the crystal's stable frequency. This is done through focus, visualization, and emotional connection. Cleansing crystals removes absorbed energy and resets their field. This can be done with water for safe stones, smoke, sound, moonlight, sunlight, or earth. Charging crystals amplifies their natural frequency using light, earth, or sound. Crystal grids combine multiple crystals into intentional geometric patterns that amplify specific goals or healing intentions. Crystals support emotional healing by grounding the mind, reducing stress, enhancing clarity, and stabilizing energy. They help in moments of emotional release by providing comfort and anchoring. Certain crystals help with focus, sleep, protection, confidence, and self-love. However, crystals are not replacements for medical treatment. They support overall well-being, but physical illness requires medical care. Crystals enhance emotional, energetic, and psychological states, which indirectly influence health. The true power of crystals lies in how they help you align with yourself. Crystals amplify intention, stabilize energy, support mindfulness, and deepen awareness. They remind you to return to your center. They act as bridges between your mind and your energy. They are not magical objects that change your life on their own. They are tools that help you change yourself. The future of crystal science is evolving. As technology improves, we may discover new forms of energy that crystals can influence. Biofield science, quantum medicine, and vibrational technologies are growing fields. Crystals may become part of future emotional and energetic therapies. Choosing the right crystal depends on intuition, attraction, and emotional need. Your body naturally gravitates toward what you require. Using crystals daily can be simple. Carry them in your pocket, wear them as jewelry, meditate with them, place them in your environment, create grids, or use them during intention setting. Consistency builds results. The truth about crystal energy is that crystals influence your energy influences your behavior, and your behavior shapes your life. Crystals support transformation, but you are the one who creates it. If you listen till the end, like the video, subscribe, and share your experience or perspective in the comments. Your thoughts or questions may inspire the next video, so comment below and keep exploring the science and mystery of crystal energy.